Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, in our previous videos, we discussed what is cloud, type of cloud services, and what is IaaS, what is SAS, what is SaaS, what is PaaS, what is tenant. Okay, and we discussed also like what is subscription and resource group. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can create a resource group. Okay, because resource group is a very important part of Azure, because if you are going to create any resource, okay, like virtual machine group, okay, you should have one resource group at least. Okay, so basically resource group is a logical container that holds related resources like virtual machines, storage accounts, and networking components. Okay, so let's try to log into Azure portal. Okay, if you want you can review these videos. Okay, that is already available or already uploaded on channel. Okay, so now let me show you how you can create a Azure resource group. Then in next video we'll try to create a virtual machine. Okay, so you will see here, like, one second, Azure portal. Okay, so once I'll create a Azure resource group. Okay, and then we'll create a virtual machine or any user account or storage account, right? So you will see what is the use of storage, sorry, virtual resource group. Okay, so here you can see I have logged in uh, on Azure portal.azure.com. In same way you have to log in. Okay, and then here you have to click on menu. Okay, third line. Then you will see here resource group. Okay, either you can go with this option or you can just here search like resource group. Okay, and click. Then you will see here option create. Okay, so you need to click on create. Here you can see subscription, Azure subscription one. So for now we have only one Azure subscription. Okay, resource group name. Here you need to enter a resource group name like IT Parivar underscore test. Okay, it's up to you. Region East US. Okay, let's keep it default. Okay, click on review plus create. Validation done. Now let's click on create. So basically this is East US is a region. So it's up to you what region you want. Resource group created. Okay, let me close this. And now let's refresh this window. Here you can see it is still saying no resource group to display here. Okay, let's just right click and reload, or let's click go to any other tab and let's come back to this. See, IT Parivar underscore test resource group created under East US region. So in this way, you can create a resource group in Azure. Okay. In next video, we will learn how to create or how to deploy a virtual machine in Azure. Okay. So for now, uh, I think it's clear to you how to create a resource group in Azure. If this video is really helpful for you, so guys, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar just to support me, just to motivate me, and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.